The Lee Vacuum and Router Support, model VRS 1200, for Porter Cable Dovetail Jigs. Are you a Porter Cable Dovetail Jig owner? Frustrated with the large amounts of dust and chips your router produces? What about the risk of your router falling off the jig? Lee has the solution, the innovative Vacuum and Router Support, model VRS 1200. The patented VRS 1200, designed specifically for Porter Cable Dovetail jigs, offers almost dust and chip-free routing. The sturdy router support ensures the router sits flat at all times and can be safely parked out of the way when unclamping and clamping workpieces. A quick one-time setup is all that's needed for safe, dust-free routing. The VRS support beam slides easily on the included support brackets, and the swivel action vacuum port accepts 3 sizes of shop vac hoses. The full-width router support provides a track for the easy sliding vacuum box. As you route, the vacuum box moves across the beam to ensure maximum dust and chip collection. Everything you need for safe, dust-free, and easy routing is included in every VRS 1200 kit. For more information on the must-have Lee VRS 1200 and all its features, visit leejigs.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All Lee products carry a full 5-year warranty. Lee products are available worldwide through our network of dealers and distributors.